Imagine a world where the undead roam the streets and your only chance of survival is to make sure you don't end up as a zombie snack. In this new reality, it's important to have a comprehensive list of guidelines to follow. While the movie Zombieland Double Tap provides some hilarious and useful advice, we've also gathered some additional laws to help increase your odds of survival. So grab your weapons and your sense of humor, and let's dive into some additional rules to follow in a zombie apocalypse. 1. Separate friends from foes. It's important to surround yourself with a trusted and reliable team in a world plagued by zombies. Choosing the wrong alliance could lead to disastrous consequences, so be careful when picking your companions. A small group of like-minded allies will help you fend off danger and keep watch while you rest. If you don't choose wisely, you could end up putting yourself in harm's way and compromising your chances of survival. 2. Set up a safe base. Having a secure base is crucial in a zombie apocalypse, and it's important to find a location that is safe and secure before nightfall. This location should have the resources and facilities needed for your survival, including a place to rest and make plans for future expeditions, as well as supplies. If you don't establish a safe base, you'll be vulnerable to attacks from zombies and other dangers, putting your survival at risk. 3. Make hunting for supplies a priority. Food and basic necessities are essential for survival, and scavenging for supplies should be a top priority. Don't forget to stock up on essential items like first aid kits, lighters, sleeping bags, and others. Clean water sources and hand sanitizer will also be important in keeping you safe from infections. If you don't prioritize hunting for supplies, you could find yourself without the resources you need to survive, putting your health and well-being at risk. 4. Don't drink contaminated water. The chances of contaminated water sources are high in a zombie apocalypse, so it's best to only drink bottled water and avoid drinking from any unknown sources. The virus that causes the zombie outbreak can be spread through contact with infected bodily fluids, so it's important to be cautious. If you drink contaminated water, you could become infected with the virus and become a zombie yourself, putting an end to your chances of survival. 5. Pull your weight. Working together is essential for survival, and everyone in your group must contribute to the best of their ability. Don't be a liability or the weakest link, as this could lead to being left behind in dangerous situations. Instead, work hard and make yourself an indispensable member of the team. If you don't pull your weight, you could become a burden on the rest of the group, making it more difficult for everyone to survive. 6. Eliminate the weakest link. In a survival scenario, the weakest link could compromise the safety of the entire group. If someone in your team becomes a hindrance, it's best to consider leaving them behind to ensure the survival of the rest of the team. If you don't eliminate the weakest link, you could be putting the rest of the group in danger, putting everyone's chances of survival at risk. 7. Invest in protective gear. Wearing protective gear is critical in a zombie-infested world as you'll come into contact with blood and other bodily fluids. Invest in high-quality goggles, gloves, and a helmet to keep yourself safe from infection. If you can find a full-body leather suit, even better, but make sure it's flexible enough to allow for quick movements. Failing to properly protect yourself could result in being infected with the virus that causes the zombie outbreak, putting not only yourself but also your entire group in danger. 8. Always fortify your base. Safety is an illusion in a zombie apocalypse, and just because you have found shelter doesn't mean you're safe. Zombie hordes can break through barriers and swarm your location at any moment, so it's essential to fortify your base and always be vigilant. Failing to secure your base could result in a sudden and deadly attack from zombies, putting your entire group in jeopardy. 9. Stay alert and watch your back. Zombies might seem slow and lumbering during the day, but at night, they can be surprisingly fast. Never take your eyes off a zombie and never turn your back on one. Keeping your weapons close and being ready to defend yourself at all times is crucial for survival. Failing to stay alert and watch your back could result in being caught off guard and overwhelmed by a zombie attack, putting your life in danger. 10. Stay entertained. Entertainment options will be limited in a zombie apocalypse, and it's important to keep your mind occupied and entertained. This can be done through games, books, or personal relationships. Failing to find ways to combat boredom could result in depression, anxiety, and a decrease in overall morale, making it harder to survive in the long run. 11. Be prepared for the unexpected. No one knows exactly what a zombie apocalypse will look like, and it's important to prepare for anything. Physically and mentally, be ready for any challenge that comes your way. Failing to be prepared for the unexpected could result in being caught off guard and facing devastating consequences. 12. Watch out for other humans. Humans can be just as dangerous as zombies in a crisis. Keeping an eye on your fellow survivors is crucial as alliances can shift quickly in an apocalypse. Failing to be cautious of other humans could result in being betrayed or taken advantage of, putting your entire group in danger. And there you have it, folks, a zombie apocalypse scenario that's sure to tickle your funny bone. Just remember, zombies are purely fictional creatures, so there's no need to worry about a real-life outbreak. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.